This is a CountryBoyModz production.
Oh, also, before you start, you want to make sure you clean the surface part right here. Like, I'm gonna finish doing that, cleaning up the surface. I also want to clean this down real quick, and I'm gonna hit that with a clear coat. You know, just touch it up a little bit, clean this off as well. So I'll go ahead and put that down here in my little painter's booth, and we're gonna go from there. All right, we got it wet sanded. We're gonna dry it off just to get that top layer coat off of it. I know it look bad right now, but when I'm done, it's gonna look real good. Trust me on that. So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna hit it with a primer. Gonna hit it with the primer, and we're gonna go from there. All right, y'all, I'm gonna use the automotive primer. We wet sanded, getting all that matte black look off. So we're gonna prime it, and I'm gonna do something different this time. Actually got the Rust-Oleum gloss black paint, and I'm about to go ahead and spray it down, get it ready, and put y'all on time lapse. All right, y'all. So what we got now, everything's all painted up. Did have some runs, but I'm not even worried about that because this surface, I mean, if you get one, you're gonna need some real deal paint because the surface of this thing doesn't handle other paints real well. But I mean, I got it painted, but I still got some runs, but it's okay. I'm not really worried about that. Nobody really gonna be seeing it like that. But we got a Gorilla Tape, and we gotta get that situated. We gotta cut that. Pretty much, I'm put the Gorilla Tape in the areas like right here. Gorilla Tape gonna be right there, and we're gonna use the 3M tape that came with it to go around the edges part. That's what we're gonna do. So put that on time lapse as I do that, and we get ready to put this foam in. All right, so I got the pieces on there. I just need to cut through them real quick. I got it lined up on each side, as you can see. About a centimeter, almost. But we got it lined up. All right, as you can see, I got the 3M tape. These came with it. I got the Gorilla Tape in the middle, 30-pound Gorilla Tape. Got it all on there. As you can see, I got the markers. So I just want y'all to see the bottom side before I take it off. Like I said, as long as I match that up and I get ready to put it on, I'm good. So I can just take it off. It's always gonna be in that same spot. So with that being said, man, some racing stripes might be good on here. That's another story for another day. Who knows? You never seen the ultimate racing stripe. The Altima. That's what I'm gonna start calling it. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. It's getting late, so let's rock out. All right, I got it on there. And when I say this mod is on there, Combination of these two tape, like the 3M and the Gorilla Tape. Man, look. Look at the cuff. I'm able to push it. All right, so I was able to get it on here. Like you saw in the time lapse, I was going around and making sure that it's like sealed completely on it. As you can see what I'm doing right now, just making sure it's like glued on there completely. Making sure we good. And like, it's a test to show that it's on there. Y'all see that? I'm a big guy. And that's where I'm pushing it. So, it's definitely on there. Looks good. Take this. Let's look. Even on that side. Let's come on around. Even around, man, this mud it's nice. Like the way it came out. Thank y'all for watching though. Peace out.